Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Mr. Stitchy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very creepy looking with all the stitches. So to begin, we just gotta draw in one big circle for his head. This is probably the hardest part, to draw a nice circle. Alright, and then from here we're gonna find the center of this circle and just draw in a little egg shape. This is gonna be the nose. And let me shade it in real quick. So it's pretty much an egg shape on its side. And then now we're gonna come up and finish up the snout. So just right in the center here, just come up, make a little point. Now draw one big circle coming down, but leave a little bit of space on the bottom. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw in the eyes. So whatever space you have here, let's draw a circle, and then same thing on this side. And then it's got those creepy eyes. I'm gonna draw one more circle and one little dot inside, and then I'm gonna shade this part up. Yeah, nice and creepy. All right, and then now for the ear. So just come from the corner of the eye, just go up, you can make a little point. Come to the side of this eye right here, make another point out here. So now we have 2 points. Just connect that, just one big curve all the way around. Okay, from the corner of the eye, 1 point here. From the side of the eye, okay, so that's the shape of the head, and now let's draw in those cool little stitchings. So it's going to be one right across the eye. So it's nice and thick for the Sharpie, so it's nice and easy. It's got one over here. So I guess you can put as many as you like. You can have a little fun with it. You don't have to copy it exactly. As long as you make it creepy. Okay, so one more here. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So right here, we're going to draw his shoulder and armpit. Just 2 lines. So the armpit's right here. Now we'll pinch it in. It's going to be his waist, and just close this off. And we're going to draw in his legs first. So just come to the center. Draw one little line. And then just go down. So this will be the length of the leg. And then now come back up here. Come down, stop a little bit short of this. Just give it a little bump. And close it off. So same thing here, just use the other side for reference. Okay, and then now for the hands. So again, here's the, for the arms, here's the armpit. Come back up here. It's one curve. And it looks like he's wearing a shirt and it's got wider sleeves right here. So this part's just gonna be a line. And then this one's gonna flare out. So it's gonna be a little bit wider on the bottom. Okay, so come down. This one's gonna go out a little bit more. And let's go ahead and finish up this arm first, or this hand. So right here, I'm gonna start just one little curve. That's gonna be the thumb. Draw one little line there. Here's the back of the hand. Come down. And then the finger's gonna start here. So I'm just gonna curl this up. Just round it out and connect to that. And then for the other fingers, just one little bump. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna draw in the thumb right here. Just one little hook coming down first, because it's holding the lantern. And then now we're gonna curve up. And then just come down. So this is gonna be the handle for the lantern. So the thumb, and then just hook it around, and then 2 straight line, and we can actually close that off first. And then to finish up the hand, so just curve into the handle. Alright, and then now for the lantern, just draw a little rectangle, so this part's easy. Just come in slightly, we'll give it a little bit more shape. One line across, and then there's some details here. I'm just gonna draw 3 lines. And that is it for this Mr. Stitchy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.